Hello everyone, hello out there, especially to the Filipinos around the globe and to all my viewers. I would like to show you here, this is one of my projects. This is a plastic uh, flower base. It's looked like a crystalline flower base. This is made from recycled plastic bottles. The plastic bottles is gathered together. This is 20 pieces, then cut out from the bottom and from the top, then fixed all together and decorated with ornaments, and it's very simple as that. So now it looks like so beautiful now. This is the flower, and that is the flower base. And now here I have here another flower base. This is made from recycled empty bottles of wine. Because it is autumn season, I wrap around with this nylon twine and decorated with autumn flowers, and this is how it looks like. And this is flower base, autumn flower base. You see, this is 7 pieces, 20 bottles of wine. And look here, this is my bamboo tree. You can see, this is a bamboo tree. This leaves is made from recycled green tea bottles, 7 up, and any kind of green bottles. And this tube is made from recycled tubes of kitchen rolls, paper rolls, these tissue rolls, and empty tubes of aluminum foil. I fix all together. Then after, I cut out this plastic bottles and throw it in leaves and glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is it. Then after it is fixed already, I cover with I was inspired to make this because every time I go to the Chinese restaurant, I always find the bamboo tree there. The interior decoration is a bamboo tree. So I was thinking if I could make also like this. So I got an idea. I will create a bamboo tree made of recycled plastic, and this is how it is. And my base is also recycled from recycled plastic bottles, and I gathered all together, and it looks like a crystal base. So let's move. This is also one of my bamboo tree, and the same thing, made from recycled plastic bottles of 7 up, green tea, and this tree, this tube is made from recycled kitchen rolls, aluminum foil tubes, and toilet rolls, and covered with empty cans of Carl's beer. This is made in Germany. This one, Carl's beer, Carl's Krone, the name. And you see how it look like, so beautiful. And this is my interior decoration in my house, just simply as that. Then I have here a Christmas ball, Christmas chandelier. You see, this is a used clothing. I wrap around and form it in a circle. Just form as a ball. Then I decorated with the Christmas ornaments, and now it looks like this. So I have also